Okay, we're going to do a video how to remove this silver strip and replace it with this black strip. I think you'll need to do this if you want to get to your reversing camera. It may have some other uses. It looks like we haven't done this before, but if you look here, it looks like it's just a series of these spring clips. So we can't see any mechanical nut or bolt type fixings on it. So I think we're going to be okay. So let's have a look. So we open the tailgate. Oh, it's not happy about something. What was it not happy about, Ian?
Not sure.
Not sure. Okay, but when you open your tailgate, let's have that one open as well. What you can do is you can move it to the height you want. Okay. So which side should we start? Is it going to come around this side? So I think we're going to try and get in here. Okay. So let's get the little plastic trim tool in and see how easy this is. He's out of the way, isn't he? There we go. Right, now I don't want to scratch the paint here. So do I just pull it by hand? Yeah, I'm just going to pull it by hand. Right, so if you look here on the camera, it's cut round the camera, so we should just be able to... I'm a little bit worried here because it's thin here. I'm a bit worried I'm going to crack it here.
Yeah, it looks like it might be starting to. Maybe you want to work from the other end?
Yeah, let's... It looks a bit tight.
Is that where it goes to the different type of clip?
Yeah. Right,
Goes to the smaller, sharper.
So there we go. It's got a load of dirt in there. So that's well worth a clean. But let's have a look. Nothing's broken. It has started to have a little crack there. So you've got to be careful. That's obviously the point there where you've got to watch. But it's not going to show when we're not going to put it back on anyway. But let's have a look. So let's have a look what we can see now. So what does that give us exposure to? So we've got our number plate lights. These clips are getting pretty rusty, aren't they? So we're going to give all this a clean look because it's caked in mud. That ain't going to go back on. And it looks like this would give you some access to the rear camera. If anyone wants a video of how to do the camera, it looks like... Anyway, we'll have to have a look at that, but it looks like if you need a video on how to do the camera, we just email us and we'll sort that out. So we'll clean this and then we'll pop the other one back in. We'll clean it and come back and we'll pop that back in. Giving him a little clean. He's all looking a lot fresher now, and we're going to have a go at putting this back in. So hopefully we can just... I don't think it actually slots over that bit, does it? I think it all just... Actually, yeah, that's a bit low, isn't it? Let's have a look. How do we... No, it all just... Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just gonna pop in there. Yeah. And you can see at the end here, and if you have a look, you've got plenty of visibility of that clip and that bit it's going into. So let's have a go. Right, and then again at this end, and if you wanna come in, it looks like where it's sort of springing out, it's a little bit, so I'm just gonna tuck it in so we can see that one's in there. There we go. All blacked out, black strip done.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.